Following up with your customers is crucial in the remote sales process. A follow-up message after a virtual meeting or presentation shows that you value the time the customer took to hear your propo. Sell. It also provides an opportunity to continue building that relationship and answer any questions they may have. When you follow up with your customers, make sure you're professional and respectful. Thank them for their time, recap the main points of your proposal, and provide them with additional information. Our resources if necessary. You can also include a call to action, like scheduling another meeting or setting up a trial period, to keep the sales process moving forward. 7. Be flexible. Virtual sales can be unpredictable, and things can go wrong. However, you must remain flexible and adaptable when things don't go according to plan. Technical issues can arise, customers may not be available, or they may have different expectations than what you anticipated. Being flexible means you're willing to adjust your approach and customize it to the situation. This can involve rescheduling meetings, adapting your pitch, or finding new ways to communicate with customers. It's important to remember that being flexible helps build trust with your customers, which can be beneficial for long-term sales success. 8. Utilize visual aids. When you're selling remotely, visual aids can help you convey your message more effectively. You can create engaging presentations using images, videos, and infographics. These visual aids can help explain complex information in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Using visual aids also makes your presentation more engaging, helping you keep your customers' attention. You can use tools like Canva or Pictoker to create stunning visual aids that you can incorporate into your presentations. 9. Keep your energy up. One challenge of remote sales is maintaining energy levels throughout the sales process. Without the physical presence of customers, it can be easy to lose focus or become disengaged. To avoid this, you need to find ways to keep your energy up during the sales process. One technique that can help you maintain energy is standing up during virtual meetings or presentations. Standing can help you remain alert and energetic. Additionally, you can also take short breaks in between prolonged virtual meetings to recharge. You can use this time to stretch, grab a snack, or take a quick walk to refresh your mind and body. 10. Practice active listening. Effective communication is crucial in remote sales, and one essential aspect of communication is active listening. When you listen actively, you show your customers that you value their input and understand their needs. Active listening involves paying attention to your customers, asking clarifying questions, and repeating back what they said to ensure you understand them correctly. This approach helps build a rapport with your customers, making them more likely to trust you in your sales pitch. Closing deals remotely can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to enhance your virtual sales game and build stronger relationships with your customers. By leveraging technology and visual IDs, understanding your customers' needs, and being prepared and adaptable, you can close deals remotely effectively. Remember to keep your energy up, practice active listening, and follow up professionally to keep the sales process moving forward. By incorporating these tips into your virtual sales process, you can close deals like a pro, even when you're not physically present. 11. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is critical in any sales process, but it's especially important in remote sales. When you're not physically present with your customers, their experience with you